Sumalata Master from Kakatiya Public School. Today I am going to continue the topic of money. In that conversions. Yes, convert into pies. We need to convert our given rupees into the pies. Okay. Now, first before conversions, children, you have to know 1 rupee is how many pies. Okay. So, 1 rupee is 100 pies. Here I am writing, children. 1 rupee is equals to 100 pies. We need to use this in the problems. Okay. So, 1 rupee is 100 pies. And now, first, the given key is rupees in the question. The rupees number has given that rupees we are converting into the pies. Okay. So here the rupees are bigger than the pies. Rupees are bigger than the pies. So in the conversions already I told you, when the bigger measurements converting into the smaller measurement, you need to multiply there. Yes, when the bigger measurements are converting into the smaller measurements, you need to multiply. Here, comparing these two measures, so rupees are the bigger than the pies. So, rupees are, here you see, rupees are converting into pies. Means, here you see. The bigger to smaller we are converting, so we need to do the multiplication. So, multiplication means what numbers you need to multiply? The given rupees number you need to multiply by the 1 rupees 100 pies. Means you need to multiply by the 100 pies. Why? Because 1 rupee is 100 pies. No? They are asking the more than the 1 rupee. Means you need to do the multiplication. Let's do the problem here. First, before that you need to write 1 rupee is equals to 100 pies. Yes, sir. Given number is 7 rupees. Okay, 7 rupees. So 1 rupee is 100 pies means 7 rupees. 7 into that. I said you to multiply in a bigger to smaller measurements you are changing. So multiplication. So the rupees number 7 we need to multiply by the 100 pies. So now coming to the simplification. 7 into 100 is 700 pies. Means 7 rupees will be equals to the 700 pies when we are converting into the pies. Okay. Now coming to this problem here. 16 rupees 10 pies. They have given in words children here. Come on, first let's change that into the number form or in the figure. Okay. Now 16 rupees. So you can write like this. 16 rupees 10 pies. So 10 pies. Yes, and now convert that rupees and pies into totally pies. Okay, so first let me convert the rupees number into the pies. Later on we will see about this 10 pies. Okay, now 16 rupees. Already I told you here 1 rupee is 100 pies. So the rupees number we are converting into the pies means you need to multiply it. So first I am taking here 16 rupees number. So 16 you need to multiply by the 100 pies. So 16 into 100 is 1600. Now have you completed this problem children? No, till now we didn't complete this problem. Still we need to do this problem by this 10 pies by adding the 10 pies. Why? Because whatever the rupees number we changed into pies and the extra also amount has given in pies. So both are in pies means you can add that. Okay. So 16 rupees 10 pies. Value of 16 rupees 10 paise. 16 rupees means that we converted into paise, which is 1600 paise. Plus, and next they given 10 paise extra. So I have taken the 10 paise also. Let's add the two numbers. Here I am adding here 1600 and 10. Everyone knows the addition now? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Here 6 and here 1. So 1610 paise. So what is the answer of this? 16 rupees 10 paise. When we are converting into total paise, 1610 paise. Keep in mind children, when you are converting the bigger measurement into the smaller measurements, you need to multiply, and if they given two measurements are same way, after changing you need to add that whatever the extra paise has given. And here coming to this problem, we don't have any extra paise, so only we multiplied this, okay. And here they given extra paise, so we multiplied as well as we added that extra paise. Yes children, have a look at these conversions now. Convert into rupees and paise. They have given in question paise and that paise we need to convert into the rupees, and if possible we can change, if any extras are there means it will come into the paise also, okay. So we need to convert the total paise into the rupees and paise, okay. Already I said you here we need to use 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise, okay. And now what has given in question here? Paise. Paise means paise are smaller than the rupees, already I told you. So the smaller measurement has given in question, and that we are converting into the rupees, okay. So bigger measurements we should take here. So we are converting into the rupees. So when we are converting the smaller measurement into the rupees, we need to divide children, okay. So we need to do here division. So when the smaller measurements are converting into the bigger measurements, we need to do the division here. And now coming to this problem, they have given here 8005 paise, okay. So first we need to take that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Okay, 1 rupee is 100 paise. Come on, the given amount is 8005. I said you to do the division of children. What numbers we are to divide here? The given paise number you need to divide by the 100. Okay. So the given number is 8005. We are dividing by the 100. And already you know here when you are dividing by the 10 or when you are dividing by the 100 or 1000, no need to do the division. Direct answer we can write. Here we are dividing by the 100. Now here 100 means we have the 2 zeros here. So the last two digits will be the smaller measurements and the other will be the bigger measurements here. Okay. So here the bigger outer numbers will be the bigger measurements. Bigger measurements nothing but rupees. Okay. And rupees here 80 is there. 80, and we are separating the rupees and paise by keeping the dot or by keeping the small dash. Okay. So here I am separating by the dot. Okay. 80 rupees and 05 paise. So this 80 rupees and 05 paise, or else you can write here 80 rupees 5 paise. 05 nothing but 5 only. Okay. This is a way to change the paise into the rupees and paise. Okay. Now coming to this problem here, next problem, 5050 paise has given. 5050 paise means let's divide here the paise number by the 100. Okay. So 1 rupee is 100 paise. So the given is 550 paise. 550 we are dividing by 100. So when you are dividing by the 100, already I told you last two digits will be the smaller measurement, other numbers will be the bigger measurement children. So the bigger measurement number in this problem is 5. Okay. So 5 rupees, and I am separating by the dot rupees and paise. So 50 paise. And here you see I can write in words also 5 rupees 50 paise. And compare these two children. Here 05 and here 50. Okay. So 05 nothing but 5 pies, and here 50 means 50 pies. Okay. Now this is a way to change the pies number into the rupees. Okay. Pies means smaller measurements. We are converting into the bigger measurements. Nothing but division. Okay. Yes, Ellen, I hope you understood the conversions when you are converting the rupees to pies, pies to rupees. Rupees to pies, nothing but bigger measurements you are converting into smaller measurements. Nothing but here bigger measurement to smaller means multiplication, and pies to rupees and pies means pies when you are converting into the rupees. So the smaller pies are smaller measurement to bigger measurements, nothing but you need to do division here. Come on, let's do the worksheet on that. And you need to use the 1 rupees 100 pies for every problem here. Now first problem, convert into pies. Okay, 97 rupees means the rupees bigger measurements you are converting into the smaller measurements, means you need to do their multiplication. Here the rupees number you need to multiply by what number? 100. Okay, why? Because 1 rupee is 100 pies now here. And coming to this problem also, 3 rupees 15 pies. The rupees number 3 you need multiply by the 100, then you will get the total into the pies, and you need to add this extra whatever given in the question, 15 pies. Okay, so 3, this conversion, after conversion you need to add the 15 pies to the answer. Okay, now coming to second one here, convert into rupees and pies. They have given pies in the question here. 7090 pies has given. That pies you need to convert into the rupees. Pies means smaller measurements. You are converting into the bigger measurement. Nothing but division. Okay. So we need to divide the given number by what number? By the 100 pies. Okay. So no need to do the division, children. Last 2 digits. Why? Because 100 you have the 2 digits, 2 zeros, no. So last 2 digits you circle it. That circling means last 2 digits will be the smaller measurements, which is pies, and the other numbers will be the rupees. And coming to this also, 675 pies. So divide by the 100, then you will get the rupees and pies. And rupees and pies you can separate by the dot, or else you can separate by small dash, or else you can write that into the words also. Bye bye children. Thank you.